We're on top of some breaking news right now, a major fire in Chula Vista. We want to get it over to our Phil Blauer.
Yeah, we got some video coming in from Chula Vista fire right now. Look at these flames, Andrew. This is in the 600 block of 8th Street at Woodlawn. According to property records, it's Action Footwear. We have a crew on the way, but when you see a third alarm fire, you're talking at least 30 to 40 firefighters there. But those flames are pretty high. Started about a little after 5:30 tonight. That's all we know at this point. Hopefully nobody was inside there, and you can see it's still raining in that area. Again, we do have a crew on the way, and we'll hopefully have a live report for you on the 7 o'clock show.
Yeah, we will stay on top of it as we get into our next hour. Phil, with you. Thank you very much.